Now, as the Supreme Court bench will hear the case against triple talaq in May, we bring you the story of a woman who was divorced over WhatsApp after she gave birth to a baby girl. Now, she's been fighting for justice for herself and her daughter and wants the court to intervene, but she's facing resistance from her own father. Siddharth Pandey reports.
तलाक उन्होंने मुझे व्हाट्सएप पे मैसेज करा, एक टेक्स्ट करा। जब मेरी बेटी पैदा हुई थी तो मेरे गले पे चढ़कर उन्होंने मुझे जान से मारने की कोशिश की कि मेरी बेटी पैदा हुई है।
3 words that changed the life of this 28-year-old and a 4.5-year-old daughter. Her husband ending their 6 years of marriage by sending her a WhatsApp message. When she went to confront her husband along with her daughter, she discovered that he had already remarried. He did not even allow her back into the house. We tried to contact her husband, who also lives in Old Delhi, but were told that he was out of the city. Abused and abandoned, she has filed cases with the National Commission for Women and the Delhi Police, but wants the court to intervene.
इस पे एक्शन उठाया जाए, मतलब ये तो गलत ही है ना। औरतों के साथ तो मतलब न्याय नहीं हो रहा, जो कि एक गलत है। आदमियों ने इस चीज़ को अपना वो हथियार बना लिया है।
Her father, a devout Muslim, is torn between his daughter and tradition. While he wants justice, he does not want to abandon Sharia law, a view echoed by Muslim clerics.
तलाक का जो इशू है, इसमें बातचीत हो, बैठ करके बहस होनी चाहिए इसके बारे में, और लड़की को जो है अधिकार मिलना चाहिए। लड़की के साथ जो है ज्यादती ना हो, मार पिटाई ना हो, उसके बारे में कुछ सोचना चाहिए।
देखिए, ये जो आधुनिक संसाधन है उसका भी जो है वो बहुत गलत जो है यूज़ हो रहा है, और कई विद्वानों ने ये राय दी है कि जो इस तरह से लोग तलाक दे रहे हैं, ये गलत काम जो कर रहे हैं, तो इसके लिए कोई जो है वो सज़ा और दंड का भी प्रावधान भी जो होना चाहिए।
India is one of those countries that recognizes the concept of triple talaq, whether it is orally or through written messages. But several women activists have now taken the issue to India's top court for a relook into the entire matter.
पर्सनल लॉ बोर्ड औरतों के मामले में बिल्कुल किसी भी तरीके से संजीदा नहीं है और न रहमदिली का वो इजहार करता है।
The All India Muslim Women's Personal Law Board has now decided to make this a part of their case before the Supreme Court to seek urgent reform. In New Delhi, Siddharth Pandey, for NDTV.